Everybody's OneManOneCamera. It's Tuesday, June 16th, about 2 in the afternoon, 93 degrees. It's a hot one. Taking a walk on the strip today. Right now, we are in front of Park Mgm Italy. Now the Park Mgm has yet to open, so Italy is closed. Now these guys would stay packed, stay packed on days, just wall-to-wall people. Tasty food, high prices, but they were doing banner business, banging business. And over there we have Coca-Cola, the Hard Rock, and something called Showcase. And for the discount shopping, there's Marshall's and the M&M store and Skechers. Like Italy says, Italian food lovers will. Oh, got a mask on. So, mask wearing. All right, you guys, I'm gonna have a little bit of a chit chat, pontification with OneManOneCamera. So, how you doing? So, a lot of people do not want to wear a mask. Okay. All right. The casinos tell you wearing masks in public areas is encouraged. They don't fight you to wear a mask. They don't argue. They say, hey, look, you want to wear one, you wear one. Don't wear one, don't wear one. My view is, if you want to wear one, and you probably should wear one. If you don't want to wear one, there's Target. If you don't want to wear one, then don't fight about it. Just say, no, thank you. And if you're in a shop, hey, let's go this way. If you want to go to a shop which says, you must wear a mask to enter, and you don't want to wear a mask, don't enter, move along, okay? My local Asian market has a sign, if you are not wearing a mask, please do not enter. It's okay, I'll wear a mask. Don't stress yourself out on this stuff. If you don't want to do it, find somewhere else. Check it out, there's Target over there, right? Not open yet, I don't think. So Target, Walgreens, Fatburger, and a little food court over there. So just don't stress yourself out, and don't, stress out the people who are working just trying to do their job. I see these little videos of people absolutely irate about wearing a mask. Some lady spit on somebody, That's a beating when you spit on somebody. That's saying, I have no respect for you, and ping, that is a beating anyway, all right? I have said my little piece, so if you're out there, be careful. And I hope you guys are wearing masks, So anyway, thank you very much. Back to the tour. All right. So it's a nice day, windy, a bit breezy. So I'm just gonna walk up to a little while to see what's going on. So this is June 16th. So who was here in June at about 2 p.m. before, and how does the crowd, the lack of a crowd, compare to a typical June 16th here in Las Vegas? Hey, a flower, butterfly, Chocho. Hey, Chocho. Man, what's weird is that I think Vegas is one of those places where it needs to have a buzz going on to keep people happier. But like right now, there is no buzz. No buzz at all. Now across the street is the Hawaiian Plaza. There's Rock and Riley's and so on. Now I heard this place, here's Baba's Burger Palace. Sorry, being so disjointed. Here is, like I said earlier, the Hawaiian Palace. Now, Hawaiian Plaza. I believe they were sold a little while ago, so I wonder how they can revitalize this place, because I go over there many times and it's just, I mean, even before the big virus stuff, it was just like nothing really, you know. You get the little bar in the middle which plays loud music, a few kiosks. There's an Indian restaurant, and then there was oh, it's gone now. Whoa, what's the place called? The Chili's up there. Let me see, I wonder. See, that was a Chili's before, and now you see there's no name on there, and the tape saying do not enter. And then Rock and Riley's is right there. Huh. But yeah, I wonder what they will do with this place. You know, I really, really wonder. Okay. And good old Starbucks, which is ubiquitous and everywhere. Okay, let's see. Now, normally in this area, they have music playing, but they don't now. Shoot, hang on. Okay, check the battery on the microphone. How you doing? So, like I said, normally they have music playing over here, but not right now. So, back there is the Aria. And these two structures right here, which someone call these the beer glasses, I think, because they're kind of yellowish and then white on top-ish, like foam, sort of. You know, use your imagination. And there is Crystals with the high price shopping. Okay, let's go upstairs. Polo Towers, and then Hilton Grand Vacations to the left. Another windy day out here. Okay. Oh wait, you can't go in this way? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. I know we can work it out. 20-mile-an-hour wind. Oh. See, now check it out. The doors have which way they want you to walk in. Here is for the ladies. The Gucci handbag. Press the button. Ding. Voila. Whew. The one thing I do like about Crystals is that it always smells very nice in here. Always. A lovely aroma. Whoever you are who's in charge of this place, you've done a banging good job. Okay? Seriously. You can walk through here and just feel like, hey, it's really very nice. All right. So, this place always trips me out. This Mastro's Club with this design, you know. So it comes down to there. I see a car. Hang on. Wait a minute. I see a red car down there. Let's go check it out. You always need a goal, right? So, as most of you know, Crystals is a high-end shopping area. Well, one of the high-end shopping areas here in Vegas. Right on the strip. No dollar stores. No McDonald's dollar menu. None of that good stuff. Quality. Well, high-end items. And there's the Wolfgang Puck. You mean to eat there. You know, it's funny. Anyway, whenever I am out, I see places. I say, I really gotta eat there one day. I really eat there. So. It's quiet in here. Very quiet. See over there is good old Harry Winston. I'll tell you a funny story. Okay, so years ago I had never heard of Harry Winston. Nothing, no idea. And so I was in Hong Kong with the girlfriend at the time. She says, oh hey, that's Harry Winston. And me, you know, Mr. Classy, who the hell is Harry Winston? She said, ha 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 ha. It's a diamond or jewelry shop, very famous. Oh, I had never heard of them. And that's how I learned about Harry Winston. I didn't buy anything, you know, but from Harry Winston, but that's how I learned about it. Oh, see, so then the back entrance is closed. Okay, so if you're down here looking to come to the back, no. Oh, the pub is closed too. All right. Hermie, sorry to pant so fast. Harry Winston. Kusina by Wolfgang Puck. Trillion. High price watches. You know, I had a what's that watch called? It was Marina, that's what it's called, Marina watch. Service. Wait a minute. So, oh, the escalator. I have those Marina watches. I forgot who makes it. I call it Marina, but I bought a bootleg one or a fake one in Bangkok, and so I think I paid like $20 for it. Okay, and it lasted for a while. Okay, for $20, it's been pretty good. I think retail was like $3,000 US, but I wasn't gonna pay $3,000 US for a watch, and so it kept good time. And of course, the back part turned green. Seriously, all right. So I chucked it out, but it was interesting. But the guy I was working with, he had a real one. He was a sales guy, and nice watches. They were very, very heavy, so it felt like it was a quality thing. So anyway, that's my bootleg shopping story. Well, I should say one of my bootleg shopping stories. Dolce and Gabbana, Do 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 do. All that junk inside your trunk. Anyway, that was a good song. Versace, Rolex. I'm not really Joe Fashion at all, you guys. I learned these places probably from the mall or just watching the occasional television show as far as fashion stuff. Hey, what is this? They got a mannequin in front of this tree. Hey, green girl, how you doing? All right. Oh, another one. Is there a theme? I guess it's just plants. So, all right. They're about to kick me out of here. I see a security guard. Okay. So, anyway, that was our little bit of a tour of the Crystals area, which is nice. Oh, and there's Prada. Remember, Prada was so popular before. Crazy popular. And the backpack for ladies was like $2,000. $2,000 for a backpack. I didn't buy that either. All right, you guys. Someone had requested a quick walkthrough of crystals. I hope I completed the task well enough for them. A lot. For them to enjoy and say hello. Prada. Huh. So, Prada. Hang on. Check it out. So Prada, you gotta wear a mask and have your, so Prada, wear a mask and have your temperature taken. And say, hey, to our, well-money customers, we want you to return healthy. Huh. All right. Let's see. That should just about do it. We're gonna run through the Cosmo to see what's happening in there. Okay. All right. Oh, pardon me. Bad stomach, you guys. Ate some dodgy pizza a couple days ago. Ooh. Won't do that again. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and say, see me outside, say hello, say hello back, take care, wherever, have a good day.